How much life insurance should I own and what kind? Stay tuned and we'll get right to it. Life insurance is not meant for you. It's meant for the people you leave behind. It's meant for the people you care about to survive financially and transition to a new reality without you. If you have a family, you should have enough life insurance to replace your lost income, pay final expenses, and pay other debts and obligations. A rule of thumb is to have 5 to 10 times your annual income, depending on the size of your family and your debts and obligations. If you want to pay college costs, allow your spouse to stop working for a while, or even bolster a little retirement for your spouse, you have to factor these costs into your insurance amount. Term insurance is by far the least expensive way to purchase life insurance. It has no cash value buildup and is purchased for a finite amount of time, for instance, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. At the end of that time, it either ends completely or becomes so expensive it doesn't make sense to continue purchasing it. You can also buy permanent life insurance like universal or whole life. These plans will cost 5 to 8 times the cost of term, but do have the advantages of not expiring and will have cash value buildup that you could take advantage of. Ideally, a combination of these plans work the best. 20% permanent, 80% term is often a viable option if it's affordable. Let's take a look at a typical young family and some scenarios that they may be confronted with in the unlikely event life insurance is needed. Current obligations are: dad earns $50,000 per year, mom works part-time and earns $20,000 per year. They have 2 kids, one 5, the other 10. Their mortgage owed is $200,000. Their cars and credit cards are $25,000. Miscellaneous bills are $25,000. So, when totaled up, their current obligations equal $250,000. For future obligations, we have college expenses, which equal $100,000 per child for a total of $200,000, and a retirement of $250,000. When we total current plus future obligations, we come up with $700,000 as an example. Your personal circumstances may be different. Here's an example of some different options for our typical family using a 20-year level term. For your specific rates, quotes, and options, click below to get your quote in less than 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you.